So, Alison has bought this Ninja Foodi Max Health Grill and Air Fryer, and she's setting it up. We are going to have asparagus, big mushrooms, nice steaks, and some sweet potato and normal potato chips with a salt and pepper and paprika topping. So, we haven't made sure how we're supposed to do this. Al's had more of an idea, but I haven't read the manual. So she's going to fiddle with some bits, and then we're going to start. So what is it you're doing at the minute?
Right, so I'm trying to set it so it's beef.
Yeah.
Right, so chicken, beef.
Beef.
And then it's rare, medium.
I think medium rare is us, isn't it?
Medium rare.
Cool. Medium rare
and
beef.
And then I think you just hit start.
Start.
Then it's going to warm up.
Right.
Yes, it's doing the warm up now.
Okay.
And then when it's ready, so that's going to count up.
Ooh.
And then it will say add food, and then we need to add in the steak. So what we need to do is put this in the thick part, long ways.
Ooh.
And then that will, oh, that's wrong.
Inserting it into the beef curtains.
I've got dinner.
Okay. I've just had a thought though. Aren't we supposed to be doing the chips first in the air fryer bit?
Oh yeah.
Right. Okay, so we'll come back to that because this is going to be minutes.
Right. So
I think we probably want to stick the asparagus and the mushrooms in when we put those in, don't we? We'll try that because it's going to be sort of like a grill thing, isn't it?
Yeah. So air fry 200 at 20 minutes.
Let's have a look what it's like inside.
So for
wow! Is that the air fry bit?
No, the air fry bit.
Look at that. This is all jizzery pokery. This. I was very dismissive, but then we had something yesterday in it. What did we have yesterday? You know me and my memory. What was it?
So we warmed up some samosas.
Oh yeah, and they were really good.
Yeah.
So what you have in effect is a little miniature oven as well as all the other things it can do. So we're going to do some fiddling with it all weekend. So that comes out. Is that the steak one, the char grill one?
That's the grill one, and then that's just the fat tray, but you can cook in that as well.
Fat tray, but you can cook in that as well. Okay. And that's our air fryer. Okay, go on in.
And then so I reckon, I don't know, 20 minutes? We'll see.
All right. We can open up to check. Okay, so 20 minutes, and then in with our chips. Now all we've done here is put salt and pepper and some paprika on. They're hand cut. We haven't blanched or parboiled the potatoes or the sweet potatoes, which is what I would normally do. And then what did you add on? What sort of oil? Was it
vegetable oil?
Right, vegetable oil, and then it's just mixed round.
You can't use olive oil because it smokes too much.
Okay.
So vegetable, avocado, coconut oil is better.
Avocado oil? Mm-hmm. Mental. Mm-hmm. Coconut oil. Ooh, you can do everything with that. Okay, so right, so this isn't too long and too boring. We're going to leave you with that now, and we'll just show you clips of bits and pieces. This thing is amazing. It says add food. So go on in. Just add food into the air fryer. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, they're sizzling already. That's heated up really quick. Right, we'll be back soon. So we've decided that 20 minutes is probably not enough. They're not totally cooked. We've just tried one each, but the sweet potato was better than the potato. No, exactly. So we're going for the 20 minutes. I'm going to whack the asparagus in on top just to start it off, because we're going to put that in with a steak, and we don't want that to be undercooked too much. Yeah, they're looking all right. What are they like? That's on the 20 minutes, yeah?
Hot.
They're hot. Yeah, they're good. They're cooked. Yeah. Cool. Let's get on for the beef and the asparagus and mushrooms.
So it's beef medium rare. It's just it's heated up again.
Yeah.
So now I need to add
food. Right. Okay.
So have you put any butter on the steaks?
No, I haven't. We'll just have to have them dry then. I didn't realise that was like a grill shaped thing. Right. Go whack them in then. Yeah.
Grill shaped thing.
Well, you know, because I'm used to frying the steaks in butter. I've seasoned them up with salt and pepper.
You can
as you can see. Do you want to stick the asparagus on there just behind you as well? Super job.
Oh, why are you taking that out?
Well, I just took it out in case it didn't melt. I don't know.
No.
Is that supposed to stay in?
Yes.
What, all the time?
Yes, that tells you the meat's cooked, Dad.
Really? Yeah. Okay, so what was that? So it said get
So
food.
it's finished cooking, it's got to medium rare.
Right.
And now it's counting up the rest time, which is between 2 and 3 minutes. It doesn't tell you exactly, that's up to you.
Right, well, it doesn't look char grilled. Did you turn it or not?
No.
Okay, the asparagus
got a load of
and the mushrooms
butter on
looking
that
over. Okay, that's fine now. Yeah, okay. The proof will be in the eating.
Yeah.
Right, so chips are now a bit warm, a bit dark, that's my fault, but they're nicely warmed up again. The mushrooms are ready. The steak has rested under foil with the asparagus. The asparagus has gone nice and soft again. So we're going to see what it looks like. Sorry, tastes like. I'm going to eat the burntest ones so that Al doesn't tell me off. So that's our Food Ninja steak, asparagus, mushroom, sweet potato and potato fries. It doesn't look as good as it would sort of like cooks normally, but it does look better than if you sort of like done something in a slow cooker. I mean, the meat, I like my meat to look charred on the outside, but let's give it a try. So cut in, Gail.
Yeah. So medium rare, it's pretty good.
Yeah, that looks good actually.
It's pretty even. And if I cut into the thicker bit, it should be a bit more pink.
Yeah, because you got the thick one, I've got the thinner one. Yeah, we could have gone medium actually.
Yeah.
No.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, that looks nice and red inside.
Nice and even.
Yeah, the asparagus looks good. How do they taste? No. I prefer the asparagus done in the microwave, olive oil, salt, pepper.
Oh, it tastes alright.
Those are good. Fries are a bit dried out. So reduce the initial time and then whack them in at the end. Okay, so my thoughts. The steak was okay. It was more like nicely roasted beef, medium rare, rather than when I do a steak normally I do it in butter with salt and pepper. This was just actually roasted in salt and pepper, so it's more like roast beef. It was nice, it was good, but it didn't match up to my normal steak. The asparagus was good, had good flavour, but it was drier than I'm used to. So I would put that again as a second, what I normally do. The mushrooms were brilliant. They were absolutely superb. So they definitely came out top. The fries, I'm not a fan of air fried chips anyway. My mum's got one of these air fryer things and I don't really rate those, although they were better than these. I don't think it's just because they ended up burnt. I don't think they were great. The problem is, if I have chips, what I want from chips is exactly what these air fryers are trying to remove. I want the richness, I want that glorious fattiness, I want that horrible, nasty, artery crunching deliciousness from them. So, what I would say, now that all sounds bad, was what we've just eaten was actually a very pleasant meal. There was nothing wrong with it. It didn't match what I could have done normally on the hob. However, there's very little mess, very convenient, and it was our first time. So we could have done things better, we could have improved things. But that's the whole beauty of a new sort of kitchen toy, you can experiment. So I would say at the moment, I'm still impressed with that Ninja. And I can say that quite happily because it's Al that paid for it, not me.